A tutorial request from Michael Lewin. If you haven't checked out his channel, please do go on it and check out his channel. I'll leave a link down below at the end, okay? So we're going to get into the move which he's requested. So what we're doing, okay, is we're going around our finger here, okay? So if you stick your finger out like this, it will go around, okay? So one, and you're going to turn your hand at that moment and you're going to rebound it there, okay? So watch, one. See, so when I'm rebounding here, I'm turning my wrist and then I'm going like this, so watch. And I can rebound it here. Do you remember this move when we just open our fingers? Yeah? When you're bouncing it from side to side, all I'm doing, okay, is because when I go around here and I get it trapped, look how my hand is placed, okay? So it was like this. As it's coming around, my hand's turning, okay? So if you look at how the nunchuck is around my hand, quickly. Right. So if you didn't get that, please pause or go on slow-mo so you can have a good look. Okay, so when you're turning your hand here, so long as you rebound it that way, yeah, you'll get it to bounce from A to B. From here, what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to open your fingers. Okay, and on the moment you're going to turn your hand like so and do it like this. So watch. So you're bouncing from side to side on your fingers. It's a nice little move. It's sort of like this, but obviously you're using your fingers. So I hope this helps you out, mate. Remember to check out his channel. His channel should be coming up right about now. So please do check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell and the subscribe icon, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.